Hi, my name is Samantha Tab, and this is my intro video for AEP 859. A little bit about myself. I have two kids, Kendall, who's 8, and Peyton, who's 4. We also have a Great Dane named Jameson, who is 5. And I love Taylor Swift, so I had to add her to my video. Some things that I love to do. I love anything Kansas City, so obviously the Kansas City Chiefs and the Royals. I love the St. Louis Blues and the Michigan Wolverines. I love anything outside, hiking, snowboarding, camping, anything with my friends that has to do with patios and movies. A little bit about my professional side. Did my undergrad at Missouri State University, and I student taught in Missouri. I then moved to Kansas, where I worked at USD 475 in kindergarten for 2 years, and now I'm in Colorado for my second year in District 49 in first grade, and now I'm in grad school at Fort Hays State University. Some of my short-term goals include I want to stay in the classroom. I do want to move up grades. I want to stay in first grade for 1 or 2 more years, then move to third grade or fifth grade or wherever I am placed. I just need a little bit more experience in other grades. My long-term goals would be I want to be an instructional coach, an assistant principal, and then hopefully eventually a professional development coordinator. What do I hope to learn from this class? I hope to learn from and about other people in the class. I want to learn about myself as far as a professional and a future administrator. And then I also want to learn about curriculum design and evaluation. How does it work? How does it apply to me? How does it apply to my school and my district? And then I just want to know what's best for kids. I know I'll learn a lot, and I'll learn a lot from other people. So thank you for watching.